Jamaica or am I in Bali? Where am I? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Chanel, aka NoMediocre 876, and on this channel I do health, travel, food and lifestyle videos. Anyway, you might be wondering why I'm smiling this much. Well, I guess I'm always smiling, but for this weekend, guys, I'm checking in from Geejam Hotel, which is located in Portland, Jamaica. And I'm checking in from my lovely cabin where I can enjoy nature at its best. You know, wake up in the morning overlooking the Caribbean Sea and just be surrounded by this lush greenery. Isn't nature the best? Well, long and short of it, guys, I checked in yesterday, but it was raining horribly, so I didn't even get a chance to do any video, not much video, you know, because it was rainy, it was dark and gloomy, and yeah, it just wasn't conducive for me to make a video at that moment. But yes, guys, I woke up this morning feeling refreshed, and I have a lot in store for in exploring Portland. I'm here with Bretski. He's not right in the cabin at the moment, but he went to go and get some breakfast. So yes, we're out here trying to live our best life in Portland. Now, at the Geejam Hotel, right, you have different rooms, and the cabin in which I'm staying at is called SKA. SKA. Yes, and I'll be giving you a brief tour. So what I must big up Geejam for is how welcoming they were yesterday when we arrived here. You know, we got our welcome drink, we got a tour of the different rooms which they have on property. So for the 2 days which I'll be staying here, guys, I will be staying in the SKA cabin, the SKA room, and then I will be going into the Roomba room later on. So yes, guys, stay tuned for the tour of those 2 rooms, and also what this property has to offer, and also whatever else I do in Portland. Later, we are thinking about doing a tour of the RIO Grande. So it's a rafting on the RIO Grande, that is. And yeah, man, I'm looking forward to that. And you know how I am already. Wherever I go, I'm going to take you with me. Anyway, not going to make this intro too long, right? Don't want to bore you, but here what? If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, hit that subscribe button right down below. Turn on your post notification bell. Yeah, man, when you hit that post notification bell, you'll know whenever I upload a new video. Smash that like button, share the video, and leave this girl a comment below. But you know, when you do comment, YouTube put out the video more, you know. This is how the whole algorithm works. But yeah, man, guys, so let me go in now and take a swim in my hot tub, you know, and enjoy my time at Geejam. Well, I'm gonna have breakfast first, so let's do that. What tea, sir?
Green tea.
Green tea. Oh, you need to explain this. Thank you. Say, Chris, wanna pray?
Yeah. Dear Lord, thank you for this breakfast we can enjoy together. Thank you that we can experience the lovely scenery and hotel here. Just pray that today will go smoothly and let you do your will, and put our trust in your hands. In Jesus' name I pray.
Adi, you mentioned the food still.
I didn't mention the food? I said, no.
It's alright. Guys, did you hear him mention the food? I did not hear him bless the food.
You won't hear that on there. You won't hear that on You won't, yeah. But you can imagine what I said. So, there you go.
It is. We're having ackee and saltfish with some cabbage and dumpling. You know what dumpling is?
Yeah, of course.
Boiled dumpling, yellow yam, pumpkin, and sweet potato. Oh, and fried dumpling.
Yeah, traditional Jamaican breakfast. They also offer the continental breakfast, of course. Mm-hmm. Cheers.
Cheers. So for today, guys, we are thinking about going to, as I made mention earlier, we are going rafting on the Rio Grande. Yep. Pretty excited about that. And tomorrow, hopefully, the Blue Lagoon. Mm-hmm. How you feel about that? Excited, Bretski?
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever done rafting before?
Rafting?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so.
Guys, if you've done rafting before, let me know in the comment section and let me know where you did it. I don't know of anywhere else in Jamaica where you can actually do rafting apart from Portland. Maybe there's somewhere else that you can go, but Portland is popular for doing rafting. Yeah.
Popular, that's the right word.
I must say though, the breakfast at Geejam, not breakfast, but the food in general at Geejam has been good so far. This water is warm. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is heaven. This is heaven in nature. Woo! Am I in Jamaica or am I in Bali? Where am I? I'm confused. I love this. Today I'm coming to you live from Boston Beach, which is in Portland. Today I am not in the water at all. I'm actually here supporting Bretski. Now the issue regarding, well, there's no issue. The reason why I'm not in the water, guys, because I cannot swim. Based on how this water move, I won't go in. So, you know, he's like trying to motivate me and say, yeah, come in the water. But no, I told him I'll just watch it from where I am. I'm not going on no water. If me not have no life vest and the water move like so, like this, you see? It's moving pretty wild. But yeah, your girl just over here just enjoying nature. And you know, it's fine for me. I'm fine watching him swim and just watching the water move the way it's moving.
I'll be there at the after party. Show up looking like a zombie. It don't matter, nobody stop me. I'll be there, just tell me when. Damn, I'm a long way home at a Smith Road. Gotta make a choice, do I sober up? Am I trying to keep it going to be continued, or am I trying to lose? Gonna keep moving now. I don't think I wanna leave at a tough week. Gotta realize this is what I need. Don't got the time to be counting sheep. It's too late, I'm in too deep. Don't wanna contemplate, overcomplicate this. And I made my choice, wanna see what's going on. I'll be there at the after party. Show up looking like a zombie. It don't matter, nobody stop me.
I'm holding up my Jamaican flag so you know that I am in Jamaica. And to be more specific, we will be going rafting on the Rio Grande. The rafter is down there waiting on us, so we're gonna go down there right now. So come along with me, guys, and remember, if you have subscribed to the channel as yet, hit that subscribe button right down below, smash that like button, and leave a comment as you throughout the video as you watch. Yeah, let me know you're thinking, man. All right, so let's go. Yes, Becky. Yes, Becky. Come in, Becky.
Come in, yeah.
This guy's Zora after Becky.
Yes.
Speed raft. Aerodynamic.
We're gonna get those things.
Or the life vest.
Life vest on the cushion.
Alright.
You have a Jamaican flag?
As much as I'm a Jamaican, I'm have to show I'm Jamaican.
You don't have to put it on, man. Just put it on.
Alright.
Just pass the blue thing that we put you to sit on.
Yeah, relative.
Yes. Your first time?
Yes. On the Rio Grande. Not my first time doing rafting.
Did you rafting already before?
Yeah, to Monkey Island.
Oh, Blue Lagoon?
Yeah, man.
Yes. Yeah. So what's his name?
So Becky,
Yeah.
how long have you been doing this?
Like decade for 47 years.
Decade.
Over 47 years.
Yes.
For 47.
Over 47 years, yeah. So you know every corner, eh?
Every stone that roll, yeah?
So you're gonna give us a bit of history
about it.
surrounding Rio Grande?
Yes. This Rio Grande raft start 1911. And this thing start from the farmer, the banana farmer. But this thing start from like the farmer, take the captain along and the river for rafting. Yeah? So that's the way the captain go back to the royal family.
Okay.
I introduce them to this. So this is where this will start. No?
Or the old rafting.
Yes.
Okay.
The old history thing coming from the royal family from England. They promote it. Yeah. So I'm doing this from a young boy, pull the raft along up the river before I can be a captain for 3 years. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is like a history for me. Yeah, my mother this is like my mom, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you built the raft?
I built the raft myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And we do this in the moonlight too, you know?
Oh, you do?
Yes, we do this moonlight tradition.
You make it at night?
Yes.
Why do you do it at night?
Perfect. From the moon and the water is bright. Very, very bright.
So why not do it in the day when there's sun is?
You know, you see a lot of people like to do it at night, mostly like lovers, you know? Yes.
Oh, you mean the rafting? I thought you meant making of the raft.
No,
Okay.
we do the raft at
Oh, I see.
night. Moonlight tour.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah, like we have one raft with a bar,
Uh-huh.
and one raft with music, and then we do rafting.
Oh,
okay.
nice. So you have like lights on the raft so you can see?
Some of the time we use candle with the moonlight.
Oh.
Yeah, sometimes we stop and make bonfire.
Oh, that's romantic. So are you enjoying this Bretski?
Yeah, it's cute. It's pretty cool.
Yep. And it's your first time in Portland.
First time, yeah.
Yeah.
Not your first time.
No, not. Absolutely not. You know me already, I like exploring Jamaica, so I always try to go different parishes. But I know last year you said you wanted to come to Portland. Say, hey, your wish is your wish has come true.
Yeah. And
But-
he made the raft on his own.
Yeah,
Cool.
yeah. So guys, tomorrow, well, the weather has actually impacted like some of the things that we wanted to do, but you know, regardless, we're gonna still try and make the best of it. Tomorrow we might go to Monkey Island, possibly. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, so far it has been quite peaceful. Not a lot of tourists around, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we don't have to be waiting like long to like do certain things. So I like it.
Oh, sweetie, crocodile.
There's no crocodile.
I'm joking. I was trying to give you a little fright, but like, hold it. Crocodile.
This is why you see this water is like
Yeah.
from the rain.
There was something there.
Rain never fall. Crystal clean and you can see the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, when the rain falls?
When the rain doesn't fall.
The rain
Oh, when the rain doesn't fall.
Yeah, because we went to Boston Beach earlier today, and I was saying to him that typically the water is more like turquoise, but it wasn't looking so clean, and I know it's because of the rain.
from the rain.
Yeah.
Are we getting rain for around 2 weeks now? We're getting rain most of the night.
Yeah, and it fell quite heavily last night.
See it's deeper?
Yes, deeper. What's that?
Cocoon bean. That's what the maroon.
Oh, a cacao bean?
Cocoon bean. This is what the maroon used to use back in the days, huh?
But this is the same thing like if you rub it on the concrete
that one
to
is
get
the
one.
outside,
Oh, that one's ours. Right?
smaller.
Okay, so what you can do with this one?
This one?
Yeah.
People used to make yo-yo.
Oh, yo-yo.
Yeah.
This one?
Yes,
Oh.
yes. When I was a small boy, one of that used to be me and my sister breakfast in the morning.
It's a fruit?
It's a food,
It's like a nut or it's a fruit?
like a nut.
It's a nut? Okay.
You have to roast it first,
Roast it and then break it.
and when it's burst, you put it in salt water or fresh water or milk.
So is it like an almond kind of or what?
It's like a food, like a bami.
Balmy?
Really?
Yeah.
First me I hear this on me a Jamaican.
Yes, me used to eat it a lot.
Yeah, cocoon eye.
Cocoon, yes.
So what's the name of the tree that it falls from?
It's a cocoon bean. It's grow like a bean tree, huh?
Okay.
'Cause all of those come from a pod, like a peas,
Yes.
long pod. Yes.
Guys, do you
They
know
mostly
this?
grow up in the Blue Mountain region.
Okay.
So they float down the river when every time the rain fall, they float down.
I'll keep this as souvenir.
You ever went to Motown?
Moortown?
Yeah.
I went to Nanny Falls a few years ago.
Yes. That's what we call Motown, Nanny Fall.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. This is where we used to have like a bar, you know?
Oh, bar.
During the day, bar and a small restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember, if it's June, it's an umbrella day, okay?
Lot of tourists out here, man. Lot of tourists.
Yeah, tourists, you know.
Of course, tourists in my own country.
Yeah. What's going on? Hey. Hello.
So it started raining, and we're not running away. We're still on the raft.
Well, we got this as protection.
Yeah, we have the umbrella.
So-
Protection?
for the lens, you know.
Oh yeah, well, I thought protection from the rain for you.
For you. I'm a big boy.
Oh, this is so relaxing. But trust me, guys. To be honest with you, I think you should definitely try this out. Just come on the raft, I know, just enjoy nature. It's quite peaceful.
Yeah. Very peaceful. Hear a few animals in the background though. To remind you that you're in their homeland.
That's right.
Think about when you did your video with the crocodile and you're like, he's shy.
Oh, we went to St. Elizabeth safari tour.
He's shy.
Yeah, guys, go and check out that video. I did a safari tour in St. Elizabeth.
How do you know he's shy?
Because he was running away.
No, he was. I'm just kidding. Dock flowers?
Yeah.
No. Where's the
I'm gonna
dock?
pick one for you later. It's the best detox.
Oh, really?
You ever hear about it?
Mm-mm.
When you go back, you're gonna Google that and see what it is like, yeah?
Alright, dock flowers.
Yes. I'm gonna find you one, yeah?
Alright.
It's like a health thing?
Yeah?
It's a health thing? Like for your health?
Yeah, to clean your system out.
It's a drink?
Yeah? Yeah, for make tea.
Make tea from it?
Yeah, I would love if I could get around 5.
This isn't like a tea that makes you hallucinate, right?
Yes.
It is.
Yeah, man.
Oh, it's that kind of tea.
Yeah, man.
Hallucinate.
I'm gonna find you one.
That's like, I don't know.
Very tasty but bad things. It's always good for your body. You know?
Oh, if it tastes bad?
Yeah, what tastes bad.
Like bitter.
For your body.
It's good for your body, yeah.
Like sour and bitter. It's good for your body.
That's
for your blood.
Yeah, that's what
It's
I've
very
heard.
sweet that we have put too much water in our blood.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. At 65, I'm gonna know.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
You look good for your age, man.
Yes. I'm
65?
Still doing farming.
Yeah.
I still do construction work.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's raining a
Yeah, I
lot
think it's
now.
Yeah, probably great.
Oh, we're coming down a shallow here.
Oh man. And I really thought it wasn't going to rain, you know. I thought it wasn't going to rain.
They say when you get a small blessing, this is blessing. Yeah.
That's the duck flower.
This is the duck flowers.
It looks just like a duck too.
This is the duck flowers. This is one of the best detox. Me making big money from it, no from England, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, me pick them and put them to dry,
Uh-huh.
send them to England, and get money from it.
Nice.
Yes.
Oh, just trying to find them.
That one look green.
Yeah, all of them good.
All of them good.
All of them
When
good.
when are they like most in season, or you don't know?
They're all right through the season.
All
All right
always?
through. I search for them, but they mostly grow again freshwater riverbank, you know?
Yeah.
Yes.
Duck flower.
I search for them.
Well, earlier in the video, I was telling you that tomorrow we want to go to Monkey Island, right? And the only way to reach to Monkey Island is to go rafting, which I typically do whenever I go visit like Blue Lagoon, right? Anyway, long and short of the story, I heard that you cannot go to Monkey Island again by rafting. Cause what is happening, Becky? Yeah. Yeah. So basically a dispute between the politician and the younger guys. And those younger guys usually do rafting. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we only can go to Blue Lagoon itself.
You cannot go on the main road to drive up there. You have to go through a gate with security.
So the sign that says Blue Lagoon, you cannot enter from there anymore? What? That's bad for tourism, man.
Bad for tourism, bad for Portland.
Yes, bad for the Rafters.
Bad for Portland.
That's sad. And you said it's going a year now that they closed the...
Over a year and a couple of months.
So if people want to go to Monkey Island, right? How can they reach over there since they can't raft anymore?
They do like, they sail the boat maybe from Winifred Beach or Sanko Bay. So if you go to Winifred Beach and catch a motorboat, they will drive past the Blue Lagoon and go down to Monkey Island to make a stop. Yes, but no way from the Blue Lagoon no more, yeah?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so okay.
You got it. I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you...
So, guess what? Our tour of the Rio Grande is finished. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Relaxing 1 hour tour of Rio Grande. You liked it, Bretski?
Yeah, it's peaceful, it's chill,
Yeah,
it's good vibes,
and picturesque.
you know.
Yeah, indeed.
Tour guides are cool.
Yeah.
We had a good time, saw some interesting plants.
The duck plants.
Yeah,
Yeah.
dog flower,
Duck.
duck flower,
Quack, quack, quack.
duck flower.
The duck flower, right? Yeah. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this tour. Would you do it? Let me know in the comment section, all right? I'm going to leave Becky's contact number in the description or on the screen right down below so that you can contact him if you are visiting Portland and want to do the Rio Grande tour. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Becky, what do you want to say to your viewers?
Oh, welcome to Portland. Visit the Rio Grande Rafting.
Yeah?
It's a beautiful attraction. You can enjoy some of these freshwater swimming and
When are you available? Every day?
every day.
Every day you're
Every day available.
All right, so here, people, Becky's available every
Every
day,
day.
so just link him, all
Just
right?
link it.
Yeah, this is a NoMediocre life. What can I say, right, Bretski?
Lifestyle.
That's right.
lifestyle.
I 5.
And I'll help you carry some of that weight.